You probably see a pop-up like that when you visit some sites which ask you for sending notification. And when you click on that allow button, you can receive notification from that site. This functionality is called the push notification. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can add this functionality on your WordPress website for free. So by the end of this tutorial, you are able to send notification to people at any time you want. Like when you publish a new post, you can send them notification to read your article, or when you want to offer a special discount on your product, you can also send them notification and drive traffic to your landing page, or you can utilize it however you want. So here I'll show you how you can customize the notification title, notification text, icons, everything, how you can schedule your notification, how you can see the analytics, like how many people receive your notification, how many of them opened it, and much more. So don't skip any part of this tutorial, see all of my instructions very carefully till the end. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get more website creation related content like this. Alright, so to enable push notification on our website, first of all we need to go to our WordPress dashboard. And first of all we need to add a new plugin. So I go to plugins and go to this add new. And in the search bar, I search for OneSignal. We install this plugin and then activate this. So after installing this plugin, go to this OneSignal push page. And here we can see some documentation of this plugin, how we can use this. And in the prompts tab, you can see how the notification prompts will look like in HTTP and HTTPS sites. And here you can see how we can integrate this notification functionality specifically on Safari browsers. And in this tab, you will see that final results, how it would look like for different browsers. Okay, so right now I want to go to this configuration tab, and from here we need to set up some IDs and API keys. So to get these IDs, we need to go to the onesignal.com website. So I search for OneSignal and go to this website onesignal.com. And here first of all you need to create an account to get these IDs. So I click on sign up, and here you need to give your email address, set your password, and also give your company name. So let's fill up this field. And here you need to verify your account by your email address. So we need to check our email inbox. And here we already receive an email from OneSignal. So I click on this confirm your account button. So after that, here we need to create an app to get our keys and IDs. So let's first name this app. I want to name this with my website name. And after that, from here choose the option web push and then click on this button. So as we work with WordPress website, so from here we need to choose this option and click on WordPress, and after that give our website's name and also the URL of my website. And after that, here I want to upload an image which is used for the default icon of our notification. So I want to upload the image from my desktop. Here if you want, you can also crop this image, but I want to keep the full image, and click on save. And after that, if your website is not HTTPS, you can check this and give a label for your website. But my website is HTTPS, so I don't need to check this, and then click on save. Okay, so here you get your app ID and API key. So right now we need to copy this from here and paste it inside our dashboard. So I paste my app ID and also the API key. And after that, we need to click on finish. So here you can see that our notification is enabled for all of the browsers except Safari. So to enable it also in Safari, we need to click on this Apple Safari option, and from here give your site name here and also your site URL, and then click on next, and from here choose WordPress, again click on next, and then click on save, and this leave setup button, So after that, you can see our Apple Safari is also activated. So I click on this, and here you can get your web ID for the Safari browsers. So I copy this code from here and paste it in this field. So after filling all of this field, if we go down and click on the save button and go to our home page and refresh this, you can see this notification bell icon at the bottom right corner here, and when user click on this button, they can see this pop-up which asks them for sending notification. They can either choose allow or block. So when they click on allow, they are able to receive notification from your website. But right now I close this prompt, and right now I don't want this notification bell icon. Instead, I want to show a pop-up over here when visitor comes first to your website and ask them for notification with this allow or block button. So to do this, we need to again go to our dashboard, and from here you can see here is an option for disabling the subscription bill. Right now it's enabled. I want to disable this and turn this option which says that automatically prompt new site visitors OneSignal slide prompt before native browser prompt. So let's see how it works. If we click on save again and refresh our website, you can see when visitor comes to our website, they can show this kind of pop-up, and when they click on this allow button, the default browser prompt then asks them for the notification. So if we click on this allow button, you can see this welcome notification which says thanks for subscribing. So when a user subscribes to your website notification, they can see a welcome message like this. And here you can also customize this notification title, messages and icon from your settings. So if we go here, here is the option for setting the title, the messages, and also the URL for this notification. And here I want to show you some another option for this plugin. Like if you want to customize this prompt, the text button, and also the text here, you can change this from right here. And at the bottom, I want to turn this option on. So if I turn this option on, when I create a new post, I can send notification to my users. So let's go to create our post. I go to add new post. Okay, I close this. So let's set the title, content, and the featured image for this post. And here we choose our featured image. So after setting all of this, if we scroll down, you can see this option right here. So here it says send notification on post publish. Yes, I want to send notification when I publish post. But if you don't want to send notification for this post, you can turn this off. So let's hit the publish button. Okay, you can see we have immediately received a notification after publishing this post, and it will send all of your subscribers who have subscribed to your notification. So right now if we look at this notification, you can see this image is our post featured image. This is the title of our WordPress website, and this message here is the title of this post right here. So here I want to customize this notification because I don't want to set this image twice, and I want to modify my title. So if we go to again to these options, here this is the option for customizing this notification. So I check this, and from here you can set the custom title and the custom text for this notification. So I set my custom title to latest post, and I don't want to set any custom text. And here for this icon, I want to keep my default image. So if we go to our settings, and above here I turn this option off. So I don't want to use my featured image as my notification icon. Okay, then if I click on save and again update our post. Okay, right now you can see we have received our notification with our custom title and with this default icon. So here if you want to hide this notification after a few seconds, you can do that from the settings. So go to this option. From here if you choose yes, your notification will hide after a few seconds. But I want to choose this default option which says yes on Mac OS and no on other platform. So I want to hide that on Mac OS, but on other platform I want to keep this like that. So we can see how we can send notification to our subscribed user when we publish a new post. Right now let's see how it would look like on our Android devices. So from Android devices, when your visitor first come to your website, they can see a pop-up like that, and when they click on this allow button, then the browser prompts come, and after clicking this allow button, they can receive a welcome notification which looks like that. And when we publish a new post, our notification on Android devices also looks like that, and they are able to receive this notification even they are not on your site. So in this way, you can bring your traffic to read your blog. So right now, if we click on this notification, we are redirected to this blog page. So after that, if we go to our OneSignal account and from here go to our dashboard, from here you can see some analytics of your notification. Like in this graph, you can see how many people have clicked on your notification. Here is only one people because I have already clicked on my notification, and after that here it shows the current number of subscribed users. So there are currently 2 people who can able to receive notification right now. And after that, this is the monthly active users, so which means how many people have interact with my website on last 30 days. And this is the total users for your lifetime. So if a user subscribe and then unsubscribe, they are also counted inside this number. So under here, this is the graph of this total user, and this is the number of revoked or unsubscribed people from your notification. So after that, if we scroll up here, you can see here is a button called new push. So from here you can send a notification at any time you want, not only when you create a new post, but you can send a fully customized notification from this OneSignal dashboard. So if we click on this new push button, and from here, if you want to send your notification to all of your subscribed user, you can keep this default option. But if you want, you can also send your notification to a particular segment of user. I'll show you about the segmentation in a moment, but right now let's set the title and message for the notification. So I want to set the title to this and also write down my messages. And on the right side you can see the preview of this notification on various devices, and from here you can change the devices for this preview. If we select Windows, this notification will look like this. So here for this notification, let's add the image. And after that, I want to set the launch URL. So when user click on this notification, I want to bring them on my landing page. So right now I want to go to my WordPress dashboard, and from here inside templates, I have already created a landing page using Elementor. So here if we view this page, this is an demo landing page where I give a 50% offer on my course. So I want to copy this page's link from here and paste it inside this field. And after that, if we go to the platform settings, from here you can also set the icon, images and badges specifically for Chrome browsers, and also set the icon for Firefox browser. Here I don't want to change that, and go to the advanced settings. Okay, here we can see 2 fields, collapse ID and web push topic. You can use these fields if you don't want to replace your old notification with the new one. So normally when you receive a web push notification and an existing notification already have on your notification tray, then your old notification will be replaced with the new one. So to avoid this, you need to give an unique collapse ID for each of your notification. So I want to give an ID for this notification. Let's give it to Black Friday, and also set the web push topic the same. Then here the priority option, if you set the priority to high, your user are able to receive notification even if their Android devices are on sleep mode. So after that, this is the time to leave option for the notification, which is by default set to 3 days, which means this notification will wait up to 3 days if your user are on offline. So under that, here we can also add some additional data with your notification. You can add field from here. Okay, I don't want to do that, so I delete all of this. And after that, if you want to add some additional button with your notification, you can do that from here. So here all of this field is for your button 1, and if you want to add your second button, you can set all of the fields from here. Sometimes adding this kind of action button is very helpful because sometimes you want to bring your users to two different pages according to their opinion. So in this case, you can add multiple buttons inside your notification. So right now I don't want to add any additional button. So next I go to this scheduling option. Here if you want to start sending your notification immediately, but you can also schedule your notification for in a specific time, and you can pick the date and time from this date picker. Okay, so after that you can also personalize your delivery time according to different user. So right now it's set to everyone at the same time, but if you want you can also send the notification according to the user's time zone, and you can set the time from here. And if you select the intelligent delivery option, this notification will automatically send to the users when they are most likely to open your notification. So if you want to increase your open rate, this option is very helpful. So right now I don't want to schedule my notification. I want to send it immediately as it is my test notification. So after setting all of this, I click on review and send. And from here you can check all the information you have put it correctly, and then click on send message. Okay, we can see we have received our custom notification, and if we click on this brings us to our landing page. So right now if we refresh our delivery page, from here we can see we have delivered our notification to 2 people, and among them 50% of them clicked our notification, and this is the graph for our clicks. And from here you can see your delivery statistics. So this notification is sent to total 3 peoples, and 2 of them are delivered, 1 of them are failed. And if you set this as scheduled notification, we can see the queued notification inside this remaining category. Okay, so after that from here you can see the platform statistics. We have delivered 2 notifications, and among them 2 of these are delivered to Chrome browser, and if people also receive them from other browser, it will also shown right here. And under here you can see all the data you have set it for this notification. So right now if we click on delivery, from here we can see all of our sent notifications. So this is the one I have sent right now, and here are these 3 notifications I have sent from my WordPress dashboard when I create these articles. Okay, right now you have learned how you can also send custom notification from our OneSignal dashboard. So right now I also want to talk about the user segmentation. If we go to again to the dashboard and go to new push, then here I mentioned earlier you can also send notification to a particular segment of user from here. So right now the default option is assigned to all subscribed user, but I don't want to do that. So here by clicking add segment, you can add different kind of user to receive your notification. Like here you can send it to only the active users or engaged or inactive users. So here if I select active, this notification will only goes to the active users. And here is also the option for exclude segment. If you want to exclude any specific category of people, you can also do that from here. So let's here go to this audience tab. From here you can see 3 different kind of user: the active user, inactive and engaged user. So here the active user means who have last visited your site within 168 hours ago, and the inactive user is who is not visiting within this time. And here is also the engaged user who is also visited your site within this time and also visited at least 4 times. So by clicking here you can change also the rules of the segmented people. So here if you want to decrease the session count, you can edit this from here. Okay, and after that if we click on this new segment button, from here you can create a new segment of user depending on these various rules. You may segment them according to their device types, their countries, their languages, their session count. So right now I want to create a new category of people who have visited only from the US. So from here I want to select these country rules, and from here choose the country to US. And if you want, you can also add some additional filter by adding and or. So here I want to rename this segment to potential users and click on create segment. So our segment is also added beside these default segments. And if we go again to this add new push page and select this option again and click on add segment, you can see our newly created segment is also added here. This segmentation option is very helpful because sometimes you want to send a specific notification for your specific kind of users. In this case, you can utilize the segment option. Okay, right now you have learned how we can send notification from our WordPress dashboard as well as from our OneSignal dashboard at any time. So that's all about today. If this video helps you at least a little bit, then don't forget to like this video, and if you have any question or opinion, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next.